Dear Dukaan users, did you know that close to 40% of the COD orders you receive in your store may never reach the end customer due to various reasons? As a business owner, you usually get to know this when it's already too late. That is, when the order gets returned back to you after you've spent a lot of money on things like shipping, logistics, marketing, etc. Add to it the cost of not having inventory ready to ship when you're waiting for an already shipped order to return back to your warehouse. This is called RTO, or Return to Origin, in the e-commerce world, meaning an order that has cost you operational expenses but didn't get converted to an actual sale at the customer's end. With the RTO Optimizer plugin, Dukaan gives you the smartest way to predict RTO in advance and take appropriate action before you start processing the order. Powered by our own sophisticated AI that is trained on thousands and thousands of actual order data from businesses across the country, our RTO Optimizer plugin can predict if a COD order is going to be returned back to you or not with great accuracy. This is a pay-per-use plugin, and once enabled, you can predict RTO on incoming COD orders for a nominal fee starting from 2% of the total order value, which will be deducted from your Dukaan credits, capped at a maximum of 30 credits per order. Please note that for the RTO Optimizer to work, you will need a minimum of 250 Dukaan credits on your wallet before activation. Once activated, the usage charges would be deducted from your Dukaan credits automatically, and you can check usage history in the plugins menu. With that out of the way, let's see how you can enable RTO Optimizer and get it to work. To enable RTO Optimizer, go to the plugins menu from the sidebar. Search for RTO. You will be able to see our plugin show up in the results. Click on the plugin and then install it. Once installed, click on its settings. Here, you can see your usage history, that is the number of orders you've run this plugin on, your Dukaan credits balance along with an option to top up, and the order-wise details when you start using it. To enable it, click on Activate RTO Optimizer on the top. When you receive a COD order, the RTO Optimizer automatically runs and will show you a recommended action, which you can see by going to the order details page. If you want to check for previously received orders, or you just topped up your Dukaan credits wallet, you have the option to run it manually via the Run RTO Optimizer button. The RTO Optimizer has 3 risk states and corresponding actions. If the risk is low, you can proceed with shipping the order to your customer. If the risk is medium, you can request for partial payment from the customer. The partial payment can either be a flat amount or a percentage of the total order value. If the risk is high, you can request a customer to make a full online payment to safeguard yourself against RTO. You can also run the RTO Optimizer across many orders and ship your orders in bulk according to the different RTO risk states. Activate the RTO Optimizer on your Dukaan website today and let go of all the worries about your orders returning.